With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
To determine the refractive index of glass slab using the traveling microscope, minimum number of reading required 2, 3, 4 or 5. We observe the glass slab by traveling microscope. First we adjust the cross mark. So we take first reading without slab. And second reading with slab. And third reading lycopodium powder. So second option is the right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.